A small bird lived in a forest and dreamed of flying high in the sky. One day she asked an old owl for advice. The owl said, "To soar high, you must first spread your wings and let go of the branch." The bird was afraid, but she tried. She spread her wings and let go, feeling the rush of the wind beneath her feathers. She faltered at first, but with each try she flew higher and higher. The owl watched and said, "The greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act in spite of it." The bird learned to embrace her fears and push beyond them, and soon she was flying higher than she ever thought possible.